What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be actually talking about the Videomic NTG. I always get this confused with the Videomic Pro and the Videomic, like the small little mic. So but I was actually in the market for a shotgun microphone, so I decided to give it a go, and right now for you guys to see, this is exactly how it looks. So pretty sweet microphone, pretty sweet deal. It is an on-camera shotgun microphone for a lot of you guys who really want to know that, and it actually does come with a kind of a right coat on board. So decided to pick it up. It was $249 on B&H, and you know, it came in the mail not too long ago, so I figured why not do a quick little review on it. What actually sold me on about this camera right away was the fact that it's USB-C. And thinking ahead of in terms of like how I plan to grow my gear and maybe grow my channel, I really want everything to be USB Type-C. So immediately USB-C was exactly what sold me on the microphone. So I started digging into some more and realized that this microphone actually records up to about 30. It gives you about 30 hours in terms of performance. In terms of recording time and usability. I think that's fantastic. I think that's more than enough, especially for a lot of stuff I do. When I started this YouTube channel, I used small little mics that I wanted to use on my channel. Small little mics that you know, they were good in terms of proximity. Like, I feel like the closer you are to the mic, the better it is. The reason I bought this one was I really wanted to step further away from the microphone and be able to capture clear and crisp audio. So aside from that, that was reason number one. Now, the reason number two that I bought it was the fact that it was super small and portable. I like the fact that it's really easy for me to throw in my bag, and I feel like the build quality was actually pretty good. Build quality was pretty nice about it. Third thing that actually sold me on it was the quality of the microphone. Not only did I want people to hear me, but I wanted them to be able to hear me nice and clear. So you're not shouting, you're not like yelling at the mic, you're not sounding too muffled. And that's one of the reasons I like Rode. But Rode, when some of the stuff that I've tested with Rode, they always sounded very bass filled, and it sounded like when you wear a mask, you know what I mean? So I always kind of avoided getting a microphone through them because I didn't really want that same sound. But after a couple of videos, I decided to just pull the trigger and purchase it, and ever since then, man, it's been a fantastic mic. Again, it is what I plan to be using on this channel. I don't know exactly how this thing is sounding right now, so if you guys want to just let me know down in the comments down below, what do you think, how it sounds? I would really appreciate it if you tell me exactly how it sounds. But again, I'm probably gonna figure out after I plug it into Final Cut and hear it out. So that is my quick review or my quick usability of it. I haven't been using it for quite too long, so used it a couple times, but maybe I don't have as an extended use on it like some of the other YouTubers. So I decided to give it a try because I really wanted my audio to be better. So that's a quick look at it, guys. If you guys like this video, definitely consider giving it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, definitely let me know why you didn't like the video. I actually would love your feedback if that's something that you guys want to give me. But again, that's my quick review and quick first impressions of the Rode Videomic NTG. Again, if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Gene. I'm JAXTWIN, and on this channel I tend to review tech and camera tech right now because it's stuff that I'm really interested in, and that's really what the channel's about. So if this is the kind of content that you guys are interested in, I would love for you guys to consider subscribing. Again, I just want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. And until my next video, peace.